Hello guys, welcome to my channel Clean Education. Today we are going to start SQL second class. Shall we start? Yesterday we discussed about SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is a language to communicate with the database. Right? And today we are discussing about database. Data, nothing. It is very simple when we take it as a simple. I will try to explain in a simple way. Okay. Let me explain. Database is a place in which we are storing the data in a systematic and organized manner. Yesterday I told one example, right? In our mobile phones, we have photos, videos, audios, files, etc. And this is all the data, right? This is all the data where we are storing in it in the mobile phone, right? The data, photos, videos, audios, files, etc. All the data we are storing in the mobile phone. Like that, data will store in the database. Our photos, videos, audios, files, etc. We have mobile. This is the our database we are using and we are calling as mobile. And in SQL, database is the place to store the data in a systematic and organized manner. So it's clear. Let me explain from yesterday class simply with a diagram. SQL is a language to communicate with the database. Inside the database, we will store the data, right, in a systematic and organized manner. We can store the data in our own way. We should store the data in systematic and organized manner only and properly. So we should follow that. And data is a raw fact that we can change. We can change the raw fact, right? So data is a raw fact which describes the properties of an entity, object. Object is also known as entity, and properties also known as attributes. SQL is a language to communicate with the database. Inside the database, we are storing the data in a systematic and organized manner. Data is a raw fact which describes the properties of an object. Object is also known as entity and property is also known as attributes. Here, please note this.
I told you, right? Every day, end of the video, I will give you notes in 5 minutes. You can write. Today, database definition. Database is a place or medium in which we can store the data in a systematic and organized manner. In database, we are performing an operation called as CRUD. C stands for create or insert, and R stands for read or retrieve, and U stands for update or modify, and D stands for delete or drop. This is the today class. Please support me and share, subscribe. This is me, Ammu, and meet you every day. Bye bye.